How to stop someone from signing out your Apple ID from your iPhone. Hey there everyone, welcome back to the SkyTech Studio. So if you want to disable the sign out button that no one can actually sign out your Apple ID from your iPhone, then here's how you can do this process. But before we start the video, if you're new to this channel, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel because it really helps me out. Well, so now to disable the sign out button, if I open up the settings from here and if I go to the Apple ID and scroll down, you'll get to see the sign out button is available. So now to disable this, you just need to get back to the settings, and from the settings you just need to scroll down a little bit and go and tap on screen time here. And once you're here inside the screen time, you just need to scroll down and go and tap on content and privacy restriction. And from here, go ahead and enable the content and privacy restriction. And once you do that, you just need to get back from here, and the very last thing that you have to do, go and tap on lock screen time settings. You just need to select lock screen time settings and create a passcode for your screen time settings. Twice I'm going to enter the passcode. I'm going to create the passcode, and you can add a recovery email or phone number if you forget the password. I'm going to skip this process, and once you're done, you'll get to see the screen tap passcode has been enabled. And once you're done, you're pretty much good to go. Just force close the settings application. Now reopen it and then going to the Apple ID, and if I scroll down, you'll get to see the sign out button has been grayed out. Now no one can actually sign out your Apple ID from your iPhone. Hope you find this pretty helpful, guys. If you do, please drop a like and subscribe to the channel. See you guys around, and thank you very much for watching.